Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how can you upload your picture or photos on your Instagram account using your PC or laptop. Let's start the video. Before I start the video, I hardly request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for another update. This is your interface when you are using your Instagram account on your laptop or PC. For uploading any kind of photos on your Instagram, just press function 12 on your keyboard. That means F12 for inspection. Or you can click right button on your mouse and go to inspect. When you go to inspect, your computer or laptop interface will be changed by this type. Now we need to go toggle device toolbar, just like a mobile sign. When you click here, then the interface will be more short and narrow, just like a mobile phone. You need to change the dimension responsive. Here you can see there are many mobile phone model. Just click any one. I prefer Galaxy S5 and reload the browser. When you reload your browser, the Instagram interface will be changed just like a mobile phone interface. You will be able to see the interface just like you browse your Instagram on your one mobile. Just click pause button and you are ready to upload the photos. Now we can upload any kind of photos using your laptop or PC. You can also share your history. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share my video on your friends and family. Thank you.